Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to show you something new. Now, I've showed you shortcuts and, the shortcuts that I've created. Well, now I've worked on another one too. I might show you another one on Wednesday, but I made this one called Random Website. Now, with this shortcut, it'll actually take you to a random website anywhere. Now, as you can see by the contents of it, you have the random number action. You can see, I don't know if you can see it. Of course you can because it's screen recorded. So, it's the minimum is 1, the maximum is 6,666. So that's how many websites it could take you when you run it. Now, when you run it, it will take you to a different website. It might take you to the same one, or a different one. It'll change. So, I'm going to run this shortcut. Now, before I run this shortcut, I put a part that says http://www. and then randomnumber.com it actually goes to any web domain, not just .com, but I put that in there, and then after that, I put the https:// same thing. So whenever you run this shortcut, you can hit return to the shortcuts, app, and then it will run the second website. So it won't just go on one website. It'll actually go on 2 websites. So let me show you. As you can tell, it took us to a number website. Now, a lot of these aren't number websites, but we have a few number websites. Now, some websites, I'm going to warn you, some websites don't exist, and some may exist. And so that's something to say. And also, the fun thing is it also will take you to a foreign language website. So it'll be fun. And then it takes you all these websites. So you get all these things on this site. Let me dismiss this IFTTT notification. Actually, it dismissed itself. So yeah, but you can see it took you to a random website. Now I'm going to hit return to shortcuts. And I'm back on shortcuts, and then it just took me to another website. Cancel. So I'm going to hit return to shortcuts. What the heck? I'll just hit app switcher and go back to shortcuts. So I go back to shortcuts, and it'll take me to another website. And it took me to a schooling website. Alright, now let's go back to shortcuts and run it again. Now it's going to take me... Now, like I said, some websites don't work, and this is one of the things you might see. Safari cannot open the page because it cannot connect to the server because I guess it doesn't exist. Now, you can always try again by going to the shortcut. It'll take you to another web page. And it just took us to another website. As you can see, that exists. Now, like I said, some websites may be number websites or letter websites. So now, we're at 3701.com, and looks like I have a bunch of slashes and other crap. I don't know what these slashes are for, but we're just going to go out and keep running this. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. It could take you to any website in the world, Now, I don't know if it'll take you to Facebook, because some of those are number websites. There's no random letters, it's only random number, because Shortcuts doesn't have that. option. Now let's run it again. Oh, that's my scanner. Let me turn that off. Now this page won't exist, so let's go out of here. I don't think this website works either. So if I go here, and I hit run again, let's see where it takes us now. And that website won't work either. So like sometimes one website will work or two, it just depends. Because like I said, this takes you to any random page. You don't know where it's going to take you. So, oh. And it looks like it took me to a Chinese website. See, I told you it can take you to foreign language websites. Well, not just a foreign language, but you can do it. I don't know what this website's about. I have to look back at it. Some of these are foreign some parts of the page are foreign language and some are English. So, yeah, this is what this shortcut's about. It's fun. And you might like it. And it's at 73.com. And I don't think that website exists, so I'm going to go to shortcuts and run it again, and it'll take me to another website. And actually, it does exist, but it takes me to GoDaddy. I think. Yeah, it took me to GoDaddy. So, some websites, like I said, contain numbers, but it's only taking me to number websites right now. So, I'm not going to keep this video running for long, because, it's just going to keep on. But you get what I mean, so. But it's a pretty cool web page thing. And, ooh. It took me another website. 3596.com. This is interesting. So, yeah, most of these are number websites. Some can be letter websites, like, for example, Facebook. Well, it hasn't took me to Facebook yet, but, or any website. It could be any website, but a lot of these might be number websites, just for warning. So, I don't know how to get it to exactly take you every website in the world, but hopefully you like the shortcut anyway. I'll leave the link in the description for you to download it, and that way you can download it and try the shortcut out and everything. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like for more, and don't forget to stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And I will see you guys next time. And before we go, this will be one of our cool videos that we do tomorrow too, so that'll be really cool. So, that's all I gotta say for this video, and we'll see you guys in the next video.